everyone. Just wanted to share a video with you in terms of one of the things that we've been looking at. If you've been following me, you'll know Marks and Spencer's UK company. And this is atypical of what's happening. And what we want to look at is, okay, is this giving us some indications of the way things might be moving? So obviously we had, going back as 11th March, massive downward trend, then a signal which resulted in nothing. So maybe some bottoming out. Now we're starting to see this rise up. Now, as things stand, obviously that's positive. This is the 30-minute bars. That was on the 16th, so that's, 2 days now, or 1.5 days away. That's not reversed, okay? We'll keep an eye on it. I'm not calling the bottom of the market by any long shot. My apprentices on pipspredator.com will know that whilst that's the buy signal, this is where we bought more at that point. We're surprised that the trend has continued, but I don't want to say green shoots of recovery, but it's heartening to see. Under normal circumstances, I wouldn't care whether the markets go up or down. In these circumstances, because the impact on the real economy, I actually want things to stabilize and go up, even if it means we're ending up making less money, because obviously the short side is always easier. The markets fall a lot faster. This is something which is impacting the weakest in society, and it could bring down companies. So we actually just want to see more buying like this, and we're happy when we're buying at the moment. Is Marks and Spencer a company we'd want to hold for the long term? Not necessarily, but for now, to have gone from a price of 82 to 106, which is basically make 30% return in the space of 1.5 days. Can we live with that? Hell yeah. Okay. And it supports a great British business as well. So I don't want to do the virtue signaling too much, but our signals on the algorithms are certainly showing that the trends are not crazy and erratic. They're not necessarily only in one direction, and they're not just leading to untradable volatility. So some positives out there that I wanted to